Today we are going to make pie chart using Python library called Matplotlib. So without wasting any time, let's start with our video. So the first thing we are going to do is that we will import pyplot from our library Matplotlib as plt. This will help to make our pie chart. Now we will make an array that will hold all the values of our pie chart. You can customize it on your own. I am putting the values as 30, 20, 40 and 10. The total of it is 100. Now we will make names for our values. These names should be corresponding to the values. You can add any names. I am just using here ABCD for example. Now we will use pyplot which we imported earlier. This .py will help us make our pie chart. First value should be our values and the second should be the labels which is names. Now plt.show, save it and run the code. As you can see here, we have got a pie chart with all the values and even labels. Do subscribe the channel for more tutorials coming soon.